friends, and welcome to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another video. I will have another update for my rolling fragrance project pen, and to be honest, I don't know what update is this. It's this one, probably it's update number 3. Anyway, let's see what I finished. I had in total 16 products and I finished 7. I'm adding new 7 items, which takes me back to 16. Anyway, I finished the full size, I finished the deluxe sample and 5 vials. And the first product that I finished is the room spray, and this one is the Daniel Stone 001, and this one is the sandal one. As notes, this one has spicy cardamom, amber, sandalwood, orchid, mango blossom, strawberry and vanilla. It's $36 for 4 ounce. I didn't love this one, no, I just like it. I am not buying again this one, and I am replacing this one with the second one that I have. And this one is still Daniel Stone, but this time it's 002 BS. Not so sure how to pronounce this name, but I will leave it on the screen. I love this one. It's so different than the other one. I don't have the notes in here, but I will tell you next time. Lovely, lovely, lovely. As far I'm almost as far you can see, I'm almost happy with this one. I enjoy this one a lot. Also, I finished the last deluxe sample that I have in since my last update, and this is the Arizona Proenza Shoulder. I love this perfume. I talked about this one many times on my channel. I hope to get the full size one day. And this one has notes: Oris, white cactus, jasmine, orange flower, solar accord, musk and cashmeran. This one in 9 milliliters, it's almost $18. The full size in 1.7, it's 100. I will leave all the prices on the screen as usually, but I really enjoy this one. Then I finished, and of course as deluxe samples, I am adding this kit. I need to put away those products before taking them again. Anyway, I'm adding this kit from Clean, and this one comes with 6 deluxe samples, each one in 4 milliliters. Those are sprays, not roller balls, which I really enjoy. This one comes with let's see what are the fragrances. I have the warm cotton, cool cotton, skin and vanilla, rain and pear, coconut air and coconut water, and fresh laundry and lavender. I have I used all of them before, and I have couple favorites in here, so it's not gonna be hard to finish this one. Anyway, I have also finished 5 vials, and the first one is Alien Flora, is the pink one. I have this one in a full size. It's nice, I like it, but I like more the Alien Muggler, the purple one, which I wanna buy in a full size. This one has notes: orange, jasmine, white amber. It's woody and floral. The full size, it's in 2 ounce, it's 84. Then I finished the Good Girl from Carolina Herrera, which I really liked also. This one has notes: tuberose, jasmine and tonka bean. It's warm floral, lovely one. This one in 1.7 ounce, it's $96. Then another one that I always love to use is the Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb Nectar. Lovely, this one is really lovely. Has notes: osmanthus, orange blossom and gunpowder accord. In 1.7 ounce, it's $120, but great one. And also I have the Euphoria for the Victor and Rolf, it's warm floral. I have the Kevin Klein Euphoria. This one was really nice too. As notes has pomegranate, persimmon, camphor, flower. Not so sure about that one. Black orchid, amber, black violet, cream mahogany wood. Lovely. It's a nice one. It's described as sensi, glamorous, and sensual. And the last one that I finished, which are actually two in this pack, are from Clean, and those are the Cell Santal and Citron Fig. Two of them in this pack. I like them, but I didn't like any of them in as much to buy the full size. But anyway, the Cell Santal, it's as notes has mandarin, violet, sandalwood, and the Citron Fig one has as notes fig, lemon oil, cardamom, mandarin, sandalwood, and musk. So I'm not gonna considering buying any of those. Also, I'm not adding anything as vials because I still have 5 of them to finish. Also, I have in this project pen 4 more products, and one of them is the hair mist, the alien muggler that I told you that I want to buy in a full size, the perfume, not the hair mist. With this one I had to use a lip liner, a red lip liner to mark because of the packaging. Anyway, I was here in my first update, in the intro I think I was here, first update and second, which means I have no idea what update is this one. Anyway, I will check and let you know in the title. I am here right now, not a lot. I have to keep this one somewhere when I see it because I'm not using it very often. So probably next time will be done if I will leave it somewhere accessible. Then I have the full size perfume, and this one was the Eternity Moment from Calvin Klein. And with this one I am here right now. Probably it's kind of a half of this one comes with 3.4 ounce, which is a lot of product. I'm half done with this one, and I really like it. Then I have a fragrance oil, and this one is the Define Me Sophia Isabel. Finally I am able to mark this one, but I am exactly at the edge here. It was filled completely, a ton of product in this one. I use it a lot, but I am still here. So lovely scent. And I think the last product in this project pen is the body mist, and this one is the Bath & Body Works, is the Pink Magnolia one. Is the product that I use the most, and also I use another perfume that will be in my favorites. Anyway, with this one I went from here to here, and the reason that I was using so much is the fact that I'm using the body cream in the same scent. I use this one in the morning, I put the body cream and then use the body mist to prolong the scent. But anyway, it's lovely. So that's kind of all as my rolling fragrance project pen. Update number we don't know yet. Anyway, I think I did a good job using those products, and I always enjoy them. I will be back with another update as soon I will have a little bit progress. I'm still at the point, at least right now when I'm filming, it's 28 March, and I'm still waiting for YouTube to give me the green light to post, because they are still working to restore my old channel, and it seems like it takes a long time. But anyway, I hope I will be able to upload soon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great time, at least a peaceful one. Stay safe, and see you soon. Bye bye.